Kids.
Wow.
Let's guess the sound of farm animals. What animal sounds are they? Cow. Good job! What animal sounds are they? Pig. Good job! What animal sounds are they? Horse. Good job! What animal sounds are they? Dog. Good job! What animal sounds are they? Sheep. Good job! What animal sounds are they? Duck. Good job! What animal sounds are they? Cat. What animal sounds are they? Hen. Good job! What animal sounds are they? Rabbit. Good job! What animal sounds are they? Mouse. Good job!